Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond Mine. In case you are new to my channel, this video is being sponsored by YWigs. So I want to share with you guys how I fixed a over bleached lace frontal wig. And this is what a over bleached wig looks like. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I fixed that. But before we get to that point, I'm going to go ahead and press out the roots or the hairline on this wig, cut the lace, and I'll be back. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. First off, YWigs always delivers when it comes to curly hair. Like, I have to give them that. They always have great quality curly wigs. However, let's talk about how I over bleached this frontal. As you can see, the parting on this wig is jacked up. And so basically the mistake that I made that other people make as well is I left the bleach on way too long on this wig. So to fix that, I'm going to take some throwaway mascara and I'm just going to apply that directly on the blonde hair strands on this wig, and I'm going to let it sit before I do any type of styling just to make sure the mascara is locked in. And you can add as much mascara as you want, just depending on how wide or how skinny you want your part to be. Also guys, it doesn't necessarily have to be mascara. You can also use like black hair dye. You can use an eyeliner pen, but it's just a lot more easier and more precise if you use like a very small brush, similar to like a mascara brush. But if you do decide to use hair dye to fix the over bleached knots, make sure you are very careful with doing that, because you definitely can stain your lace, and then like that's a whole nother thing of trying to fix. So just be careful. So now that I have the wig pretty much secured down, I am going to go ahead and start wetting the hair and adding some product to the hair. Now, you definitely can wear this wig in any texture. Like, you can wet the hair and wear it in its curly state, or you can wear it in its original state, which is a lot more bigger. The hair is a lot more thicker, and it does tangle a little bit more as well, because this is curly hair with a good amount of density to it. So yeah, I am going to be adding the noodle head curling cream to this hair, which this hair actually does love. Now, because I said this hair texture is pretty thick, it does suck up a lot of water and a lot of product, but as you can see, the curls are super duper defined. Like I said, YWigs always delivers when it comes to their curly hair. Like, I expect nothing less than amazing curly hair. So I'm going to finish off wetting my hair and sectioning it off, which is a lot better with this type of curly hair because it is so much hair. Is just section off the hair piece by piece and then go from there. Okay, so when it comes to fixing a over bleached frontal, you want to make sure you have pressed out the hair and you have wet the hair before you add any type of mascara. Simply because if you're applying heat, like you just saw me do, to an area where you apply mascara, it's pretty much going to melt. So if you're going to straighten your hair or add any type of heat, make sure you do that before you add the mascara. Now, as far as wetting the hair with the mascara, just depending on, if your mascara is waterproof. If it's not waterproof, go ahead and do the eyeshadow, go ahead and do the mascara after you have wet the hair and styled it, because it's just going to allow the product to lock into the hair and actually get those knots to turn black instead of blonde. Okay, so my hairline should be good to go. I'm going to take this hair wrap off, and then I am going to go back in with some mascara and make sure I reapply it in the areas that has been over bleached. So the hairline on this wig looks fucking amazing. Like, love it. So I'm going to be using the Beyond the Zone hairspray just to kind of add some volume to this curly hair, because I definitely want it to be thick at the roots. So I'm just applying the spray right at the roots. Look at that. Nice. Just applying the spray right at the roots and taking my finger and going in a swirling motion just to get a little bit more volume at the top. I actually saw this from one of the girls here on YouTube. I can't remember her name, but I will put her name in this video so you guys can see her method, because her wig game is bomb. So this is what the wig looks like once it has been styled and wet and all of that good stuff. Very beautiful wig. I expect nothing less from YWigs. I mean, their quality is A1. So I am going to go ahead and put this wig in a ponytail. Again, keep in mind that I don't glue down any of my wigs, but I do use gel on the hairline to secure the wig down. So I am just going to put this wig in a ponytail because I'm just anxious to see how it looks in a ponytail. And because it's not secured down by glue, I always do this method of just tying my hair up just to make sure the wig does not move in the process of me trying to get a sleek, tight ponytail, because that's the only way I would do it. So this method definitely helps if you are wanting like a nice ponytail with no lumps and just flat. This is what you want to do. Also, because the wig is not glued down in the back, I don't want the back of the wig to come up. So that's another reason why I apply a scarf to my head to make sure the wig doesn't come up in the back. So anyways, with Jerry curl hair, I love to put my hair in a ponytail and a bun just because I love the way the curls look, especially when the hair dries. I hope this video was helpful to those who have experienced like the over bleaching of their wig and how it can easily be fixed. This is a very common mistake, guys, and it's no big deal if you over bleached your frontal, but fixing it is the #1 thing. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know below in the comment section if it was, and I will talk to you guys later. Of course, you already know purchasing information will be in the description bar. Bye, guys.